Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I review a lot of dash cams and I review a lot of phones from Xiaomi. This is their dash cam. It's called the 70Mi dash cam, and it's a 1080p camera that has an application that you can use to see live view of the camera. This is only 46 bucks, and I think you'll be pretty happy with this. So let's get this unboxed here. The design of this thing is absolutely sweet. It has a 240 milliamp hour battery inside. This is just what the box looks like, and we'll get it taken out here. I just love the design of this thing, man. I think it's super cool. So it looks like they give you, what is this? Oh, this is to install on your car windshield. And this is one of the most elegant one of the most elegant setups for a dash cam box I've seen in a while. Yes, it gives you an overview of the camera, and this is where you'll download the application. Here's the camera itself. Very sleek little mount. I just really like this camera. So you gotta remember to take this off on the front, the lens protector, because there is a lens protector there. There we go. Here's the camera. SD card goes on this side, and this is where you also plug in the cable for charging. And I like that it has a micro USB, because I have a ton of micro USB cables. You have no idea. Because I'm probably going to hardwire this to the back of the car, because I don't really want to put it at the front. This is going to be probably your voice or power button. Well,
please activate the device by connecting to your cell phone.
Oh wow. So let's get out the good old cell phone. Here's the cable here. They give you a very long cable. And here is the power brick here for the car. This has got to be one of the most elegant, again, and I say I have a lot of dash cams, and this is the sleekest presentation I've seen in quite some time. So we're going to actually scan this barcode and get this thing all set up. I gotta get my glasses for sure, but this is actually gonna be really cool. I'm sure this is gonna be nice. So there's an application here that I need to download. So that is just the help page right there. It's the user guide, and it says user guide. My apologies. You just go to the store and download the app. There's a special app for this, which is freaking awesome. It's the 70Mi app. So after this installs, open it up. See if it's still powered. Yeah, it's still powered on. This is very different for a dash cam. I am loving this. Okay, so after you get the application fired up here, you're gonna hit add device, and it's the smart cam there. And you can see here it's letting you know that it's blinking. So Wi-Fi is on. And now we have to connect to this part. So let's hit connect, and let's go to that particular camera, and here it is. Definitely different for setting up a camera. This is kind of strange that, or just setting up a dash cam. Very strange, but it's different. It's good. So it's connected. The password is just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's connected. So we'll go back here, and let's see if it's loaded up. There we go.
Click the power key to authorize.
So I authorized it. This is definitely different. And I gotta tell you, it's actually really sweet. So let's open the dash cam. It's giving you some instructions here. So this is the power button, and that click to open and close Wi-Fi. Click 3 times to format SIM card or SD card. Click 5 times to restore default settings. Press and hold to power off. This is actually this is a very intuitive setup right here. Normally recording is green, not recording is blue, and error is red. So it's letting you know all the different things here. Breathing state, Wi-Fi is on when it's pulsating like that. Flashing, when dash cam executes a temporary task, indicating flashes. Get all this different setup. Wow. So here's the part where you can go through and you can use your voice. You can say take a photo, record a video, record with sound, record without sound, record or turn on Wi-Fi. That's very nice. So there it is. There is the live footage there. So you can see the feed. This is really, really clear, man. This is the part, if I was in the car, I would actually be adjusting the dash cam to my liking. Begin use.
Please insert TF card.
There we go. Let's put a card in here. This is not gonna let me pass this state. Be right back. All right, so I got an SD card. There we go.
Low storage. Please change TF card.
Okay, let's change the TF card. What did it say?
The card was removed. The device is shutting down.
All right, so I'm gonna get a different card in here real quick. It didn't like that card for some reason. I don't know what it said. That's a SanDisk card, so I'll get a more powerful card. All right, so I got another card here. This is an even more powerful one, and it's a 16 gig.
Please format the TF card.
Oh, I think the other message said, please format the TF card.
Formatting now.
So you press it 3 times. That's a good memory I have. You press it 3 times and it'll format it, or it also popped up on the phone to say format. So
Start recording. Please connect to power cable.
there you go. The device does not support power key or voice key when someone is on app is visiting. Okay, so there you have it, man.
Does not work. Please format all.
The TFT card has been aged. Please change it to the. This thing definitely requires a very powerful card. I have some more powerful cards, but overall, man, this is a different setup for me. This is actually really nice. I really like this. There we go. I just had to format it again. Looks like I don't know what that was about. Really nice. It'll take a photo. So it looks like this card, it doesn't like this card. Even though this card is a brand new card, I don't know what that's about. But nonetheless, man, this is a dash cam that I got, and I'm really liking this thing. It's a very nice looking dash cam, very sleek. I'm gonna actually hardwire this to the back of the car. Since it's this tube-like camera, this will be very easy to hide in the back of the car. So it's your man Jay Will, quick video. This is a different one. This is actually really sleek, and this is just a good one right here. So I have a link in the description. 46 bucks for this. Can't beat it.